Sometimes your check engine light won't turn off even after you've fixed the problem with your vehicle. When that happens, you'll need to manually reset the light. One option is to turn the ignition on and off 3 times in a row. Then, drive your vehicle around and check to see if the light goes off. If that doesn't work, turn off your car, pop the hood, and disconnect the positive and negative cables from the battery. Press on the horn for 30 seconds to drain any remaining electricity, and then wait 15 minutes before reconnecting the battery cables. Disconnecting the battery like this may reset your car's electrical system and erase the error code that's causing the check engine light to stay on. If all else fails, purchase an OBD code scanner and plug it into the OBD port on your vehicle, which should be located under the steering column. Turn on the scanner and wait for it to scan your vehicle for error codes. When it's finished, you can erase the error codes that appear on the scanner, which will turn your check engine light off.